Today we're going to talk about ceramic coating, and I'm going to try to keep it as simplified as possible. So ceramic coating is a liquid silica polymers based product that chemically bonds or adheres to your paint surface. Unlike wax, which kind of sits on top of it, everybody hears of wax. Wax is sort of superseded by sealant, but this will actually stay on your paint and cannot be just wiped off. It usually has to be removed by some sort of abrasive compound or just time. So ceramic coating is designed not for protection necessarily, as we talked about in other videos in what's the difference between clear bronze and ceramic. Ceramic coating is generally for cleanup, ease of cleanup, and potentially enhanced glossy shine. So again, unlike clear bra, which provides protection, ceramic coating is going to bond to your paint and make cleanup easier. And today we have SB3 Solo. It's a 1-year solution, and we have an applicator pad. You see it's like a liquid spray in this case, and we haven't actually ceramic coated our own vehicle. So we're going to do that right now. We had to replace the clear bra, and this will go over clear bra. So we had to replace the clear bra on our car, if you recall, because somebody hit it with a bike. And so now that the clear bra is nice and settled in, we're gonna apply ceramic coating on top of it. And ceramic coating is a nano solution, so any amount, like there's no you're laying it on thick or you're laying it on too thin. If you get coverage, you get coverage.